Finally, the last battle will take place. Yeah, after so many years, I'll finally have my revenge. Oh, Christ. I told you 1,000 times that it wasn't me who killed your dog. Liar! I know for a fact it had to have been you! I can most definitely assure you I've never made physical contact with your dog. Enough of your lies! A true warrior does not allow himself to be deceived by inferiors! Look, if we go ahead and just pretend I did kill your dog, can we just get on with this already? Yeah, sure, that works for me. Thank you. Now, where were we? Oh, yes. I never thought you'd be such a fool to challenge me. And I never thought you'd be as heartless as you were when you ripped my dog's spleen out from his neck. Whoa, 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 whoa!